guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here to share some best methods with you all to fix USB files not showing but space used problem. But before I proceed, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get more useful videos. USB files not showing but space used problem is one of the main reasons for losing data. This situation prevents you from accessing your files while the used space and unused space is showing correctly when you check. This problem mainly occurs when your USB device is infected by virus or malware, files might be hidden, the data have been deleted accidentally, and USB drive is physically damaged. Now, let's move on to fix this error with 4 best fixes. Solution 1. Unhide hidden files. If your USB data has been accidentally hidden or made invisible by a virus, you can easily unhide them. To do so, first, connect your USB drive to PC and tap on it. Then, go to the View tab, which you can see at top of your Windows Explorer, and find Hidden Items. After clicking on Hidden Items, if there are any hidden files available, then you will see on your screen. Solution 2. Run Chkdsk command. Running the Chkdsk will verifies the file system integrity of a drive and attempts to fix logical file system errors. For this, you have to connect your USB drive to PC. Go to search bar and type cmd. Then find and click on Run as administrator. Now, type chkdsk space c:/f/or/x and hit enter. Here, you will be asked, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap yes to continue. This simple process will help you to fix the bad sectors present on your hard disk and also fix USB disk problem. Finally, restart your PC and check for the issue. Solution 3. Repair the disk using error checking utility. Here's how USB files not showing but space used issue can be fixed by Windows native feature error checking. Connect your USB drive to your Windows PC and wait until it is detected by it. Open Windows Explorer and find your connected USB drive from My Computer. Make right-click on the USB drive and go to Properties. Then Tools section, and click on the Check option under the Error Checking section. Now, Windows will automatically start checking your USB drive for any errors. If it finds any issue, then you will be notified. After that, you will have to click on the Repair drive. Now, you are done. Solution 4. Format the corrupted USB drive. Connect your faulty USB flash to PC. Go to this PC and find your drive. Make right-click on the drive that you want to format, then tap on Format option. Here, you'll see different file systems, but you need to choose NTFS, which is a best to format any drive. Then, click on Quick Format and tap on Start. Wait until the formatting process gets finished. So, those are the fixes that can help you to fix insert a disk into USB drive error. Hard drive data recovery tool. While fixing, please insert a disk into USB drive error. If you find that all your drive data gets deleted, then try the powerful hard drive data recovery tool. It will definitely help you to recover all your deleted, lost or inaccessible USB drive files without any backup. So, once download this tool and follow these steps. Step 1. Firstly, select the drive, external media or volume from which you want to recover deleted media files. After selecting, click on Scan. Step 2. Next, you can preview the recoverable media files after the scanning process is completed. Step 3. Lastly, you can select the images, audio, video files you want to restore, and click on Recover option to save them at the location you want. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box.